A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment. Alright, so I have a whole heap of things in the vlog here tonight. First thing first, I'm going to update with the story I put out last night with the Canada man who met one Jamaican girl and he do a lot for her, but she not showing her gratitude. And remember in the video he say him write invitation for her to get her visa. Anyway, I'm going to update. The guy say him write to the embassy say he want to cancel the invitation and the whole thing. He email them. But I couldn't hear that, and then now after that, I see a lot of female last night I defend him saying supposed to cancel it. She not deserve it. Put it in a comment. She deserve it or she not deserve it. BS. Una feel it's a part one if you understand. Most ladies last night say she not deserve it. So I know if I got glad for the news. Zane? But anyway, I talk too much. What you do? You listen to the program? You listen to the program or what? Or you just decide say
I listen to part of it, but I didn't get to listen to everything. I just listen to part of it.
And you come to the conclusion say you want
and the conclusion, it's just a way of knowing that, like when I reach a stage, I feel like take it for granted. So just like, you know what, you have the angle, so just, that mean, I think we just try to cancel it because my own option, and it doesn't seem like they want it. There's somebody else that deserve that.
Mm-hmm.
And I was talking to my lawyer the other day, and she said that that if she get it and she do anything, that mean I can't even send her something to another person for another 10 years. I don't want that.
I'm here, so if she get it, are you response for her when she come on now? Because she will your address and everything.
Everything and the business and everything.
And
so,
it's a tricky situation. You're right, for true.
So that's my lawyer tell me that, like, hey, anything happen, then the next 10 years you can't even sponsor nobody, and
no, you don't want that, bro.
No, I don't. So I just decide, you know what? Email the embassy and say, like,
email the embassy. Hold on, this is exclusive. I'm want my fans them here, because they are proud of your brother. May I tell it? Last night the ladies then say cancel it. I said, Jesus God, but you know what me talk behind the scene. We don't have to disclose that pan here.
Yeah.
Update now, guys. Him say him write to the embassy and you want to cancel the visas.
I email them.
Email them.
I don't want to be long responsible. Like accountable for this, and I withdraw my.
Right.
Yeah, I did. That's what I did last night.
This is good news on my channel. Them are going to celebrate. It's like it's a victory. Me definitely update them with this confirmation.
Yeah. Carl Bridget come check me this morning, come from where Mark, because my regiment do in the student rental too. And I was like, I say, yo, he's when him hear me call me name, I say, yo, Mark come in, I say, like, what you do?
I can't believe I got through then something there.
So man, you're well established,
man. True.
Like, even if I say, yo, get an uptown, man, go uptown, I say, and it's not the uptown, it's just...
the mentality, brother. You did want to help somebody and give them the opportunity and try. And this is the problem with we, Jamaican. Because I see a lot of women call me last night, oh, look on the good man there. I say, what about him good? What makes him a good man? In personality, because them can't fool me. True, you mentioned one way you give woman, brother. Then I say, right. So, me I go say this Spanish show. Every Jamaican woman, me no business who want come for me and vex. For them think for say you're a good man is maintenance financially. Once I can do that, he's a good man. I don't care what none of them want. So then could I pretend and talk about, I want somebody somebody is what? Talk. Consider yourself a good man. And reason with you may have a deep reason. I mean just say a good youth. But the woman them, when you're good to them not treat you good. That is the problem. And that I find out. You see me?
That's about it.
No, you drink your soup. You come out the soup the nice man, because you never can stop.
That's tea. Some green tea me I drink, because soup already. Something like that.
Oh, okay.
Some green tea me I drink, man, and stay on the road.
Are you busy for a day, because for a day, may have to talk, and me just get a chance.
I'm busy for a morning, because me have one guy another job, and then me have some more new guys who me are train, so me have to depend with them and show them back and forth, and me have me have a couple jobs well on the go,
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, busy. Like this man, I get up now, I have to make sure everybody sort out. So it take me like half a day before me get into everybody and make sure everybody on a page with me are going across. It's a lot of work.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So that are the update. So me see a lot of females in our commenters, but me repeat myself again. I say him for cancel the whole visa process, right, to the embassy or whatever. But anyway, another thing here. Females, I know say if I did them in a position and them have a man and then cheat them like that and then forgetting green card, them I cancel it. Hey, woman, no cool, no. Me did I say, you could have get her a blind still, but I guess, I don't know if I only hear and just listen to the program and then cancel it. So, saying talking lie and things. So, that's how you go. That there, so. Anyway, and ladies, I don't know about ask him number, because I give him couples. So, he might just decide. I understand? An idea I want somebody alone and can be with. So that's why I go. I know a lot of single ladies out there. When I go and watch a program to hear one man come on and if you sound like somebody you want to try, you know? That's how I go. But anyway, ladies, this article me for a night. What is a good man? When you say you don't want a real man. See? Anyway, I go on a little part of my program last night with me and the lecturer. I talk about woman and what is real and what they really want and what they, I know enough I love bash man still when he talk, but sometimes he talk facts and I agree with him in some aspect. Fair enough, but I know a lot of you ladies going to be disagreeing with this conversation. I want to stay tuned to the last part. I have a surprise soon. Listen.
Let's be clear about a few things. No amount of material gifts or possessions can attract a woman if she's not interested in you.
True.
And vice versa. So even though the man might be doing all of those things that you mentioned, if she's not interested in that man, she's just not interested in that man.
All right, pause right there, so. A woman ball and she complain. She want a good man. When enough woman consider is a good man, I ask you, what do you think?
When a woman talk about a good man, it's very complex because the word good is a key word there in that statement, and it depends on how you define a good man. For some, a good man would be one that provides
everything.
Yes, as his responsibility. To others, a good man might be one who dresses well, can party with her and treat her, wine and dine.
Yeah.
So very often, for example, I hear women say that they need a real man. And I said it to you before, people are going to be upset.
Mm-hmm.
They need a real man, but yet they were saying it. They wear fake eyelashes, fake boobs, fake bottom, fake everything, and fake attitudes, but they need a real man. So men need to understand that.
You're not like off of the fake argument something that every time you call me, yes.
But it's the reality.
No, you come like no man, but we don't want to go there, so you ladies them did there and we don't want them feel certain way.
I am not trying to make Damien. I remember I told you I'm a realist, I'm not a pretender. I don't compromise to be recognized.
No, but you say them have this and now they want
a good man. Let me answer your question. When they say they want a good man, they want somebody that can give them what they want when they need it, and somebody who can jump when they say jump. So we have to understand the whole scenario of what we're dealing with. Relationships these days are complicated. That's just the fact. Ladies and people in general, men too, don't like the real truth. But we have to say the thing as it comes across to us. What makes a man a good man? Is it because he's supposed to be the breadwinner, a good father, a good husband, love and care for his woman? You do all of that and it's still never enough. Come on, Damien, that's just the truth.
May I ask you something? When you have a woman, see, and you and her go out for dinner, and you don't want to put herself together, let's be honest, as a man.
Sure.
So, put on a nice ear, put on a little eyelash, put on her makeup, and
For me, if that's what some women are comfortable with, I'm not bashing anybody.
yeah.
Those are not the things that attract me, Damien.
No, man, I know that, but no, what I'm saying, no, may I get to something?
Naturality for me.
No, what I'm trying to, no, what I'm trying to say, true forward there, me hear you look out on the fake, fake eyelashes, fake ear. So me I say, if you have your woman and she wear that, for go out for dinner, any little function, you alright with that, you comfortable? You don't think she look better than normal? Every woman have to put on them little, you know? We have to groom up as man said we, because we're not going to go bushy. You understand?
Damien, I hear you, but I am going to answer you. I have no issue if that's what makes some female comfortable. But I can tell you, since you asked me a personal question before they come for me and you in the comment,
no man, talk. Yeah.
That would not be my woman going out with all of those things, because number one, I would not be attracted to such a person in the first place. I am the more natural person. But that's my choice. However, those who choose to have those persons who well dressed that kind of way and they're comfortable, fine. I don't ridicule anybody if that's what they want to. I don't need that. I like somebody who Damien, if when a woman wake up in the morning, if you like what you see after she take out all of those makeup and this thing, then fine. You can live with that.
No. Can't bother with them. You know, easy enough. So yeah, try to say.
I'm just being real, David.
Alright, yeah, me know, but when you say if we can't live with that.
Can I say something? Here's what I have a problem with society. And I respect everybody's view, and I know you show what they stand for, so I'm choosing my words carefully. I don't want you to discuss it, I'm just making an analogy. Why is it in society, the people who are on the other side, the men who are on the other side, right? You are forced to accept their lifestyle. And when you speak against it and giving your view, people get offended. If that's their lifestyle, fine, let them stay with it. That's not my lifestyle, and I will not accept it. Period. You get my point? I love to see a lady well put together, well looking good, looking good as she should, even looking better than Hollywood. But for me, it don't mean you have to put on all of those things. I would not date a woman that is like that. That is materialistic. That is fake. That's not me. If other men would love to see that, fine, I respect them. But that's not me in the first place. I would not go that route. Period, Damien.
Okay. All right.
You get me? So in that scenario that you're discussing,
me like a natural, not get me wrong, I like natural woman too, but may I say, for special occasion, you can go extra. Me believe in that. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Like wedding and...
Yeah, dinner, a certain function, graduation, and you go out on a date, maybe not do an anniversary, you know? Yeah,
I got you. And I can accept that.
Yeah, some of me. Yeah, so...
Damien, in today's society, nothing is genuine anymore.
Down to the things, okay, we get what you're saying.
The faces, both men and women, are cosmetic. The food is synthetic. The clothing is pathetic. The religion is dyspeptic.
Wow.
Nothing genuine hardly exists, Damien. And I'll close off with this. If you like what you like, because remember it's a free world, I respect your views. But if I don't like what you like, what gives you the right to want to come for me?
And this is it, to the society we are like that.
Yes.
Yeah, people get offended.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I respect wherever I go, even my home country, Jamaica. That's why I speak in the church. Some people get offended, but I just say it as it is. I left Jamaica with my organization because I was very vocal and straightforward, and the people who supervised me they tried to suppress me, and even though I was more qualified than some people for the job, then give some people to
Then say you chat too much. You're too outspoken.
That's all it's always going to say, but it doesn't faze me. You get what I'm saying? I'll always be me, and whatever people want to say, that's on them. But that story you're talking about, let's not ridicule the lady. She must know what she's looking for. Every lady have their list of things that they like. So the man might be doing all of these things, and if she's not interested in him, it makes no sense that you do all of these things. Damien, I was there, so I know what I'm talking about. Every time I talk about it, I laugh to myself. You know when I bought a lady for her birthday 1 year? She was never my girlfriend. Never hold her hands. Mostly to kiss her, to hug. Never. And every time I remember it, I beat myself for it.
I can't believe some say a whole heap of woman agree with you in a chat at first. I say this when you call something alright.
I guess it's a New Year vibes.
See woman them are right. Yes, call, I agree with you. He's right.
You know?
No,
so
sir.
It's just the reality. That's me. I'm not pretending. I'm just a realist.
You know, so as I talk, I go put in something. As I talk about this natural look and thing. You know, so one time we there one bar. And we had drink some liquor. Like it's a round robin, but the music does. And we had big people. And there was this Indian man. Indeed, I never talk. So, what happened now? You know, Indian people date Indian.
Yes.
So, he make a remarks where I think he did, what we did, we never like it. But he say, the reason why he would date a black woman, and because him father and mother would like her. He say he might spend too much money on hairstyle and nails, which female Indian woman don't have the ear where black woman are go try, run go buy every minute and change. And the man then start burning him out and say, yo, when I like the talk the bro and way and like, so me I say to myself when I thought maybe him visualize everything where it gonna be for him. That's why I come up with that. Or maybe him just be stereotyping sarcastically and just make the reference them. I don't know. But me never forget when he make the speech there.
But you know, so the year the industry, Damien, is $1 billion industry.
So who would be the number one customer? The black people?
The black women, because they have been educated historically wrong to believe that the black hair is of a lesser value than the white or the mixed race. Remember now, we're not talking about ethnic origin now. There are only 3, and I know some people are going to say, where you get that from? There are only 3 races on the face of the earth. 3. But you have different ethnic group because of it. You have what is called the Caucasians. That's the white race. You have the Negroids. That's the black race. And you have what is called the Mongoloid. That's the mix or the yellow race. And from those, you have different spin-off, the Indian, the Negro, the Chinese, and all of that, different ethnic groups. You get what I'm saying? So the black people have always been taught that their hair is not good, it's kaya, it's thick. And they should embrace their naturality and their history and be proud as to who they are.
But it done gone bad already, my boss. It done gone bad already.
Yes.
Yeah, it done gone bad. That now you know go come back.
And hear the controversy now. Even though I'm looking out on these fake ear falls here, if I'm going into a business right now, it will be the hair industry. By the way, Damien, I grew up with 4 sisters. I can weave, plait, I can do the various braids and all of that as a man. I can do that. I can do rope twists and all of those stuff. So no lady can just come fool me and come up in my face and talk foolishness. They can't out-talk me on those things. I used to specialize in women who play hard to get. And I would break them down and prove my point. So nobody can just come flip up in my face and try to play whatever. Nobody more sweeter than mine when I'm ready.
Okay. All right.
You get what I'm saying? But I love my black women. But don't blame the girl if she don't want the man. The man must get a wake-up call. Stop buy the things. Stop waste his money. Put his interest where somebody is interested in him. And don't kill the young lady because she might not... People might say
Because
she's
right now, him
fool.
have her, she forget her visa and him give her the invitation. So, persons, the ladies, then they are saying, we cancel it. But me I tell him, say, no, sir. Make a girl get her paper, because he done put you already. But me I say, I see him, so the caller did call her there, which is you, I say, woman, go off her emotions. So, then
Yeah.
so me say, if it was a man in the opposite direction, then say, no, that cancel the green card.
That choice would be left to the gentleman. He must do if he can handle that.
Yeah.
You see those
So,
problems that you bring,
I think
the
if you just love
Canadian,
it,
them,
man. Just love it, make sure you get a little break, because you can't travel, she and her son. You never can tell. But him just...
yeah, but if he can't be with that and live with that, fine. Let him go ahead and do that. But for me, I would not do that. If you're not interested in me and I find out, I stop it right there.
One lady say,
Here,
uno go and follow this man, and uno know, and uno fix up uno self. It's just, oh, Miss Sam, that uno go
I
and follow
never
this
say,
man, and
I
uno
never
won't
say
find any
ladies must
man.
not be.
No, then say, if
Listen.
uno follow the man, uno won't find any man, fix up uno self. And that him say, no, Miss Sam, daughter, he never did I say that.
I'll never
He
say
never
women
said
must never
that.
fix up themselves.
Yeah,
I will never say
he
that.
never said
I
that.
did say I love to see women well put together.
Right, he never
But
said
for
that.
me, putting yourself together and going all those, some of those fake eyelashes are like umbrellas. Make you look way out of the place. I'm not in for that.
Okay,
You get me?
Everybody like
Have
what
a
they
good
like.
night, Damien. And I'm going to listen and hear all the feedback, and I welcome them. Remember, I give you a challenge. Whatever you want me to talk about, you want to have me on the program live to take questions, I'm more than happy to do that.
Damien, how are you doing? We just listened to the thing, the man that talk about the fake eyelash and the fake something. I totally understand what he's saying. Because I know this girl where a man leave her for the same thing. The first day, then go pan, she look so nice, all rounded up, and look, boobs stand up, bottom well out there, eyelash to the T, and everything. And you know, the second day, then go pan, the guy tell him say it does not work, you know, because she's not herself. You know, she's not herself. But she never did do her bottom to wear the fake underwear. Me not even know say they want something name so. Like a whole bodysuit whereby you put it on all the way up. You enhance your bottom, enhance your breast, it tighten your stomach and everything. And when they go out, they me not talk before, and when, you know, when they go out at night, when they go out and decide to them all go home together, because the girl was gonna stop at at his place. When he go on there, when she had to take off her clothes and everything revealed, she said the guy was so upset. But I said, my girl, you're wrong. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. I'll tell him the honest truth from day one. Be yourself, man. I found that the guy not talk back to her. And he's a nice girl, you know. But, you know, I think it's self-confidence. Self-confidence. Lack of self-confidence. Because some man just like you for who you are, the way how you look. You have to just try and just keep yourself up as long as possible. But if you put on this whole heap of fake this and fake that, I totally understand the guy. Because I know somebody will happen to him and the guy separate the same night. She just barely sleep in house until the next morning and she go home. That's it. So, and every man like it still, but to each his own.
Happy New Year. You call me whole heap of time, man. You come here, you want to say something, talk.
Okay, I'm man that you on your program, Virginia. See everybody asleep. When I make a man lift up and go.
What make you say, my mama, man?
The man chat like him have long tongue and nine crutches. A woman or a man that you talk.
Say no, you know what you say?
I pay stupid this in chat.
Like what? Tell me some of my stupidness, man. What you say?
I'll go for fart, but...
Oh, you like your woman? Because you said you bash him man a while ago, which me I say you kind of come off too harsh on him still. Because, you know, yeah, but what kind of woman you like? Or you like your woman, Jess? You like your woman there with the tall eyelash?
Me Me love every woman, man. Once she look at and good, man. Me tell I 6'9", man. You know.
Oh, Mr. 16. Oh, right,
Yeah,
kid.
you never even give the woman me number.
Oh, but you're not different from the man.
Me no business with him. Me and him then I same category.
No, me no, but hold on. The member said the man is an educator and the man a lecturer about certain things.
Him a soul, educator.
No, man, listen, hold on, I could just keep it clean. Member is an educator and him a lecturer. That's why I call him on certain topic. But you call now and say, yeah, running mad, but your type of line of reasoning, it portray some things where enough of the audience would want hear. Because you hear say you're 69 man. We know say you eat
whatever.
You eat pumpkin and chocho. We have to keep it clean. Because I see my mother up on the line. Hold on. I see my mother up on the line, so I have to keep it clean. You eat pumpkin and chocho. I don't think she understand what I say.
Anything she want.
Yeah, anything she want. So voila. Any weapon on her body, she want to eat, you go eat it.
Anything. Kick off the back door too.
So hold on there. So out of your reasoning, and the man we call a while ago, which one of them you think people would want to listen for tonight?
Me no business with me no business where who want to listen to. Me are pertaining to the man where help the woman, but he might chat all kind of nonsense like him a long tail and nine damn foot.
Okay, alright. Yo, me I go do. Mr. One next somebody I call me. I go save your name as Mr. 69.
About lash and this and that. If a woman want doll you up to look good, so then doll you up. What you think then catch man a road?
Alright, sir.
What you think then catch man a road?
Alright. That's alright.
People live them life, man. Don't live people life for them, man. And you just live your life. If you don't want to live your life, go lock up in a dark room and make nobody see you. Get away.
Alright, me take one next call.
Alright. Things to the world.
Alright.
You never give the woman the number, so me and you have a little.
Yeah, man, me go do it as me done. Alright, let me get one next call. Mr. 69.
Alright, bless up.
Yes, Mr. 69. Yeah, man. Keep it clean. Yeah. Alright. But Mr. 69 is easy, man. The man attack. No. Look how much miss call Mr. 69 though. Me say, who this a call me so? Let me save his name. Mr. 69. Mr. 60. I'd rather listen to you man more than you, Mr. 69. Because you're type of lecturing. We don't want to talk about them something over here. I don't can better if me did say we are talk about that now. You're willing to talk. We don't discuss them something over here. That will be too disrespectful. And the man will talk, look, boy, I don't know, this I show you can't live from. I don't know if it's a threat, boy. I told me people must say get him off now. So I just any call to write it. Mr. 69. Mr. 69. Lord God. We realize I may have a lot of single ladies on the show. Zane, but I find out so he's a big coward. You know, one time I know, but I'm afraid. I go put out a challenge. Send on a voice note on a picture. I put it on my video them like this. So once a man I watch, he might reach out to me and go on a link. When you can't stand behind closed door and get man, you not go get it. And someone wants one man and bound afraid of a friend work at the said place who listen me. So phone a friend good have man, I want to go home and play with yourself or lonely. And you stop living a life for people at 2025 now. So what? Anyway, big up on yourself guys. May I come live and all the best. Alright? Love you now.